Hello, Pussy. Wow. Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are transforming the rear end on my Mark 5 GTI Stage 2 Plus. And we're going to be doing something very special. So if you want to see all of that, stay tuned. Trust me, it's going to be a mazza! Alright you guys, so I'm back at Akil's garage. Got my man Angus here. Angus, it's been a while, man.
Yeah man, it's a while now.
Yeah?
Yeah, for real.
You good, yeah?
Yeah, I'm very good.
Easy.
Nice one, yeah?
Now, ever since I came back from Barbados, I have been super busy. We're starting up the new garage with, there's so many things that's going on. And you're gonna get further updates on that. But this car has been, if you remember, I picked this car up from Copart. It's heavily modded. We found so many different mods. In the last episode on this car, check this out, I installed these headlights and there was a lot of mixed reviews. Some of you guys liked them, some of you guys didn't. I liked them, but as for the rest of the car, it's been neglected. We need to sort out all of these gaps. We need to spray this, we need to spray the rear end. We need to do so many things. But before we do that, there's something that I always wanted to do. I really like the R32 rear end. So we're gonna be gutting off all of this. This is a stainless steel catback system, but I've actually got a better one. Check this out. This is a Miltek catback system, and this is from an R32. So this is gonna be going onto the car. I also picked up a new R32 bumper. I got my guy Donald there. Donald! Long time, bro.
For one day.
For one day, I'm back. I got my guy Donald here. We're gonna start to strip down this GTI Mark 5 bumper, and we're gonna be replacing it with the R32 bumper, and it's gonna look so much better. It's gonna sound crazy as well, because I'm told that that produces a very lovely note. Once that's all done, we're gonna be spraying the bumper, spraying the bonnet, spraying everything, making sure that everything's all nice, and then this car is gonna be completed. The final thing, in the last episode, I installed the Go Fast Bits diverter valve, and once again, this got mixed reviews. Some of you guys told me I should stick with the revision G. And to be fair, this is a Stage 2 Plus car. I was driving it with a revision D before, and I felt the power, I knew what it felt like. And since I've installed this, once the revs get up really high, I can feel it, it's leaking boost. So we need to get this off, and I'm gonna be fitting this revision G, just like you guys said, so thank you for letting me know. I'll refit this back onto the car, and we're gonna be rolling with that. For now, let's get all of this off the car, and then my guy Akil next door, he's gonna come in. We have to fabricate the exhaust, and that's why I came down to see Akil, because Akil's the king at that sort of stuff. That's why it's always good to know an Akil, innit? So you never know what you're getting when you buy these things, man. Someone's opened that, welded it back. They've probably tried to make it louder. The beast. Alright guys, so we did a test fit with the diffuser so that we can have a central point for where the exhaust needs to go. Obviously that's the new exhaust, that's the old exhaust, and now we're going to try to figure out a way of cutting some of these exhaust pieces and try to make it fit back with this section here that's coming from the engine. And the good thing is guys, this is just a straight pipe all the way through, down to the sports cat down there, if you can see that on camera. So this thing is going to be breathing very, very nicely. Now on the R32, the brackets, where the hanging brackets, they're kind of like centralized, whereas on the GTI, the brackets are quite wide. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut them off that one, and obviously we're gonna have to try cut these ones off as well. We'll come up with a plan and try to figure out how we're gonna get it hung. Hello, Dr. Akil. Yeah. Guys, look away now. Alright guys, so we've welded on the new mounts. Akil went ahead, did that, extended this one. So now we can use the original hangers. One there, one on that side right there. Now it's time to tackle this section here. And this is the bit we need to fabricate. On the R32, which is normally a 4-wheel drive car, to make room for the rear diff, etc., etc., it goes the opposite direction to the GTI. So we have to make it go back the opposite direction and get this all sorted. Dr. Akil in the building. Is that how you do my one, yeah? So that's the turn that we needed. Wow! Wow, it's gonna be amazing! So guys, we tacked it all into place. Hanging good. Look at that already, man. Oh my God! My God! Start it up and see how it sounds before the finished product. Damn, son. Ready?
Ready. Nice one, nice one.
See guys, at idle, it's not too much. On the over rev, you're getting a lot more pops and bangs, but it's still not too obnoxious. So I am happy, and it's gonna look crazy, trust me. Close this down. Step back, it's actually happening. Alright you guys, so that was just a test. It sounds amazing. We went ahead, we removed it from the car again. Akil's now gonna weld everything, make sure that everything is nice and solid, no leaks, no nothing, and then it should sound a lot better. No holes, no holes. Whilst he's doing that, I'll put the diffuser on, and then I'll get to the front of the car and swap out that diverter valve, replace it with the revision G, and then everything should tally up towards the end. We'll come back in later on tomorrow, we'll start the bodywork process, but it's happening, guys, it's happening. Yes, guys, let's hear it now. So guys, there you have it. This is the first part done, day 1 completed. It's now gone 8:30, but have a look at this. It's nice and solid. It's not knocking. Welds are good, thanks to this guy. Wow. And this guy, I don't forget you either. But we're back. They're gonna pack up everything now, come back in tomorrow, hit it again. Let go. After a long day, man. Okay guys, so it's the next day here. We waited all day, but our paint guy didn't show up. So I don't want to delay this video. Let's go for a little test drive and then we'll start to wrap up. But I want to hear how this is sounding under loads. As you know, with these older Mark 5s, it's got an actuator that works off of boost, so you have to be on the load to get the full potential of the sound, etc, etc. If you know, you know. There you go. Guys, how sick does that look compared to how it looked before? Sounds a lot better too. Just ignore the light, I've got that. We're gonna put that back in. Still not too loud. Twin barrel smoking. Right, before we take it out, gotta pop this back in. Like so. Put the camera down. Ready? Yeah, what do you think?
Bottle is alright.
Another milk bottle. It's okay. It's okay. That's it, guys. Don't want to annoy the neighbors. This bottle sounds good.
Amazing.
Guys, like Akil always says, only milk comes in 2 liters. What does it say? You say it?
It's always milk and juice, sorry.
So guys, there you have it. We waited all day. It's just gone 5:30 in the evening. And I really wanted to get the car painted in this episode. We were planning to do that today. But for some reason, the paint suppliers didn't show up today. So I didn't want to delay putting out this video because as you know, I done a poll on the channel and you guys wanted to see this episode come Wednesday night, which is tonight. So in the next episode, we're gonna complete all the bodywork on the car, get it all sorted, and then we'll be going out on a proper test drive and really seeing what it can do. But let me know what you think of the before and after, both the look and the sound. I want to know your opinion in the comments down below. But this is where we're going to end this episode. So like I always say, keep it moving and I'll see you in the next one. I've given away so many of these tools. Yeah?
Thank you, bro.
Easy. Look at this, guys! Guys, thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out.